everyone, welcome to Fractal Tips. Today I have an M4 band where we will be doing an unboxing, and also I will be showing you a little bit how it looks, how it works. What we have a Xiaomi M4 band. This is a global version and I ordered from AliExpress. Cost me €27, which is absolutely brilliant price, especially for the global version. Okay, let's start. Have a look on the box first and talk a little bit. This is a global version for this Mi Band 4. It all have a color touchscreen which is 0.93 inch and got a 50 meters water resistant. That means you can swim without no problem with this. You can view messages and notification and all of the stuff on this watch, and also have a 20-day battery life. On the other side we got some information about that Mi Smart Band 4, which is the model number, what color is it, IP rating, like I said already, what Android is compatible as well, what is package included, and connectivity, which is Bluetooth 5, which is really good because it's a battery, and also some address and manufacturer and some barcode. From the side we have another small information as well, and already what I say. Okay, let's go unboxing. Okay, we done this. Okay, as I do everything in one hand, so like always, it's not that easy. Okay. Nearly done. It is nice slide in packages. There is another box inside. Okay, have a look what is here. Look at that band. As you said here, we'll be probably charging. Yeah. Here you go. And last place is manual. Here you go. And that's it. Okay, have a look first on the manual. On this manual is will be right everything you need to know how to set up, how is this watch working, what can you do with this watch, how you replace the wristband and stuff like this, and all of the full specification for this watch as well, how many grams it have, size, and lots of information. You really will be never need it. You will be probably just switching on, find it how it works, and this will be going to bin anyway. And this also the big difference in the global version and Chinese version. This manual is so thick, and Chinese version is just only one paper in Chinese language and English on other side, I think. Okay, when you first time switch on your Mi Band, you will probably need a Mi Fit app from Google Play Store, and you need to download this app, sign up or log in if you have a already account. You can use the Google account or Mi account or Facebook account or whatever account you want, and just log in and pair with your band. It will be all set up on the first place. Next things we have a charger, which is really like nice bed for the smart band. And this charger have a standard USB big. You can connect everywhere. You can connect to your PC or any charger and just charge your band and just put it on inside. It will be lighter on the bed. It's absolutely brilliant. It's much better than on the Mi Band 3 because there is a slide on charger, and many people complain that it's actually not possible or sometimes it's just jumping out or whatever. This looks like more clever options because we're just putting in and that's it, plugging on the charger, fine, working. Last stuff is the Mi Band 4. This package is really nice and soft. I like this material, brilliant. Okay, here you go. We have a band here, and you can see the global version. Because you have a C on the side as well. This is a heartbeat sensor, and it's just flashing because you need a charging of this watch. As you can see, you need a pair first. Like I said, first setup, you need a pair with your phone. Okay, that means we have a look how it looks like. The material for the band is brilliant, and because I ordered two and second one I already use and fully charged, I will show you. And I also ordered the white and couple of different color for this strap as well. I will recommend it for you because you can pair with your clothes or whatever. Image is nice, and I will show you how it looks display on this one because it's a fully charged, and we can have a look. Remember, this is not a full review, this just only have a quick look. I will be write a big review once it's tested more after a week or two. I will record a full review for you and more explain how it's everything works. Okay, like I said, this band is already set up. You can have a look. The display is nice and clear. It's a touch. You got a remote control for your music, and the touch panel is actually slide. You can have some status, steps, distance, calories, alerts and stuff like this. Fine. We got a heart sensor, which looks like working. That's fine. And heart rate workout. We got a couple of workout here. You can choose for need it, for what you need it. The display is brilliant. I really like it. It's AMOLED display. It's brilliant. Yeah, good job, Xiaomi. And what else we have? We have weather. We are connected with your phone. It still show you weather, and some notification as well. And what's on the more? It's a DND is the keep your watch off from any notification when you sleep. You got the alarm, which you can set up how you want it. Nice. Music, stopwatch, timer, find device, that will find your phone. Once you click it, your phone will start ringing. And silent one. Band display, you can set up the more display you have it, and also you will pair with your app. You can choose with, there is about 70 different display times, and also you can make your one as well. There's some app for that. I think you can easily find it somewhere on the YouTube. Settings, and that's it. Brightness. Yeah, this is not the maximum bright, which is brilliant. Yeah, look at that, it's brilliant how it looks. Yeah, cool. I really like it, this watch. Hopefully you like as well. You can set up the lock screen if you want, which means all the time when you take it off from your hands you will be need to put a code to unlock, which is another cool feature. Yeah, brilliant. I like it. Really nice watch. Okay, that's it. This is a Xiaomi Mi Band 4. How it looks like, unboxing, and later I will be do a better review once I will be use it some days and find it how it works. Everything I will be record there and make a good review for you. I'll try make a best review as possible, and especially if it's this video will have a nice kind of view or interesting, or for any comments it will be right. I will be try to get the answer for you as well. Okay, that's it for now. Stay tuned, click like, click subscribe, share this video, and see you later on my next video.